5 heavy-duty screwdriver set from Wiha. The first noticeable thing is their purple color. This is Wiha's designation that those screwdrivers are made for oily and water environments and provide extra grip thanks to the MicroFinish. Next is the different handle sizes. This unique design ideally combines dynamics and power, and if you need even more torque, use the hex together with a head. Moreover, the blade goes through the whole handle, it is made of high-quality chrome vanadium molybdenum steel, and the chrome top blade tip maintains its form perfectly. Finally, the metal cap allows you to strike the handle with a hammer. Check TME's website to find more details about this and similar products. Browse through hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. You need it, we have it.